Hey everyone, welcome back to Wandering Ways, your favorite stop for food, fun, and occasional oops, I ate too much adventure. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button because let's be honest, calories don't count when you subscribe me. Okay, quick question. What if I told you there is a place in Chandigarh where you can make your own pottery? Yes, I thought it sounded fake too. Today we are heading to a spot in Chandigarh called Buns Bistro in Sector 19 Chandigarh. I thought I was going to review the food, normal stuff. You walked in thinking it's just coffee or maybe some pizza. But surprise, they hand you clay and teach you. Usually my day revolves around food, calories, second helpings. But today we are starting with a little art pottery. The cafe actually lets you sit down and get your hands messy, make anything from pot to diya. No experience needed. I haven't touched clay since class 3 art period. I made a snake. Very original. But today I think I will learn something different. And just in case you fell in love with your creation, you can take it home. But I didn't go that far. I just made a diya, but it was fun. Anyways, we are going to review the food, soak in the vibes, and see how the staff treats us. And apparently become part-time potters. Let's review this mystery cafe. As soon as I walked in, I found myself in the outdoor sitting area. There were lots of tables and chairs arranged nicely, surrounded by beautiful greenery, trees, plants, giving the whole place the natural, peaceful vibes. There were white umbrellas shading the tables, which made it super comfortable to sit during the daytime. And guess what? There was a small waterfall on the side, gently flowing, adding this calm sound that instantly relaxed me. The furniture was mix of wicker and wooden chairs, paired with simple wooden tables. The setup was cozy and inviting, perfect for dining or just chilling outdoors. Oh, and the location right next to the famous Lake Obuse Center, so you can totally combine sightseeing and a nice meal. Now about the service, really impressive. The staff were super sweet and professional. When I sat down, they served me water with carrots sliced in. Carrot water, it's actually really good for your health, refreshing, hydrating, and it even boosts your immunity, helps your skin, aids digestion. I ordered a chocolate shake and a pesto alfredo pasta. But first, a quick heads up, I initially sat on the other side of the sitting area, but I wasn't super comfortable there because there were some ants and bugs around. Maybe it was because it was more open and close to the plants. Just keeping it real, your experience might be different though. So I asked the staff member if I could move to the table next to the mini waterfall. She was really kind and helped me switch right away. And whoa, what a difference. The spot was so peaceful and relaxing. The sound of the water was so soothing. I could have stayed there all day. About 10 minutes later, my order arrived. Quick service, which I appreciated. The chocolate shake was thick, creamy, and just the right sweetness. Plus the portion was generous, definitely satisfying. Now the pesto alfredo pasta, it was creamy and packed with flavor. The garlic and fresh basil really stood out. It had broccoli, olives, bell peppers and cherry tomatoes, making it colorful and fresh. It came with 2 pieces of garlic bread on the side, perfectly toasted. It was filling and super delicious. Pricing wise, the chocolate shake was 300 and the pesto alfredo was 500. A little on the pricey side, but considering the quality and portion, I felt it was worth it. After the meal, they surprised me with a 5-minute pottery session. How cool is that? The instructor showed me how to make a small diya, a traditional oil lamp. He mentioned if you want to make a pot and take it home, it costs an extra 200. I just stuck with the diya and honestly it was super fun. He also offers pottery sessions if you want to learn more. So if you are into arts and crafts, this could be a really fun addition to your visit. Overall, this cafe was more than just food. It was an experience from the calm outdoor space and great service to delicious food and pottery session. It's definitely worth a visit if you're in Chandigarh. So yeah, Buns Bistro isn't just about good food. It's this unexpected mix of creativity and just enough chacos to keep things interesting. Whether you are on a solo date with yourself like me or just want to impress someone with your unexpected pottery skills, this is the spot. Anyways, if you are in Chandigarh, definitely check this place out. And hey, if you do make something, tag me, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next adventure.